Oh, you just get that like burst of fresh mint right away. It's so pretty. With the mint, you get that layer of fresh mint and then the layer of the mint from the Menta Branca. And you get the fresh strawberries and that rosé note and the gin. It is kind of a little more playful and sophisticated at the same time version of a gin sour that this is just going to pair well with Bridgerton. And it just makes me want to like grab my parasol and then take a turn about the lawn. But it's a really delightful, it's really pretty, it's really delicious. And I'm excited to share it with you, and you should definitely try it. So let's go shopping. So first we're going to use The Botanist. This is going to be an Islay dry gin. It's made with 22 sort of different foraged botanicals from Islay in Scotland. It's beautiful, it's floral, it's got a lot of complexity. It's a very sippable and just lends itself well to cocktails because of all of that sort of beautiful, smooth, but married flavors to it. So next, we are gonna go with the Branca Menta. So this is sort of the minty cousin to Fernet Branca, which you may be familiar with, more of a black licorice, whereas this is going to be an Italian mint liqueur. So it's got a lot of deep kind of herbal notes to it, a lot more than just like a mint schnapps, but it does definitely bring that mintiness, and that is mostly what it's going to impart in this cocktail. You're going to get that nice layering of the mint and those herbal elements with the strawberry. Just a fun, kind of different bottle to have. It's one of those like the unique seasonings that you want to kind of keep in your cabinet to throw something fun in. This is gonna be kind of a fun, unique thing to have in your liquor cabinet to kind of pull out and enhance and play around with in cocktails. Okay, today we're gonna make the mint and berry. So we're gonna start with shaker, 2 ounces gin, 1/4 ounce Branca Menta, 1 ounce fresh squeezed lime juice, 1 ounce of, this is a strawberry rosé simple syrup. So I've made fresh strawberries, and then you add in sugar, and then a little bit of a dry rosé, and make a simple syrup. Bee foam. And dry shake. Ice. And shake. Coupe glass. Okay, you do it then.
Several days later.
There we go.
Yay, Jordan. And strain. And then we're gonna garnish with a little bit of mint just to make it look pretty. Slap it. Look at that. And that is how you make our mint and berry.